In today's lecture, we are going to start next unit, the pharmacology and toxicology, drugs acting on the eye, in which firstly we discuss about anatomy of eye. After that, in this unit, we have to study mydriatic agent, miotic agents, and the agent used in the treatment of glaucoma, in which firstly we discuss anatomy of eye. You have already learned this part in 12th biology and also in first year anatomy. Tell me the parts of eye.
Pupil,
Retina.
Retina.
iris, pupil, iris, veins, mucula,
Retina.
Okay. Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Tell me what are the three layers of eye. Tell me the layers of eye.
3 layers.
Which?
Endocardium, myocardium,
Endocardium, myocardium. Next. कौन सांगत होता आन्सर?
yes ma'am.
हा तुम्ही सांगितलं का मॅडम?
हा.
Cardium. Cardiac means anyone?
Heart.
And we are discussing about eye or heart.
Sorry ma'am.
We are discussing about layers of eye. How many layers?
3 layers.
layers.
Layer.
3 layers. The outer layer of
Outer
eyeball.
layer, inner layer, middle layer. Inner layer, middle layer.
The outer layer of eyeball is tough, white and opaque membrane of the sclera, and middle layer is choroid, and inner layer
Retina.
Retina.
inner layer is retina. Then tell me the parts of eyes.
Pupils, iris,
Cornea, retina.
Sclera, cornea, anterior chamber, posterior chamber, eye, pupil, lens. These are the parts of eye. Screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
These are the different parts of eye: vitreous body, lens, iris, pupil, anterior chamber, cornea, suspensory ligament, ciliary body, sclera, choroid. Choroid it is middle layer. Then retina, it is inner layer. Optic nerve, it contains different nerve fibers or nerve, circular muscle fibers, radial muscle fibers, parasympathetic nerve, sympathetic nerve. These are the different parts of eye. What is function of pupil? What is function of pupil? Anyone?
in the object.
Light light enter त्याला control करतो.
It is opening within the iris and through which light is passes before reaching to the lens and being focused to the retina. This is function of pupil. Light pass kar. Okay, what are the two fluids are present in the eye? Tell me the fluids present in the eye. Aqueous humor, ऐकलंय? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Sound is
In
audible
front
to
of
all.
posterior,
Wait,
in front of posterior and interior chamber.
Aqueous chamber and vitreous chamber. Then oculomotor nerves, that is third cranial nerve, they are also present in the eye. This is in short information about eye. Then next one, mydriatic. Screen is visible to all.
हॅलो मॅम कुणीतरी स्क्रीन वरती हे केले ड्रॉ काहीतरी केले त्यामुळे स्क्रीन नाही
हॅलो मॅम ते माझ्याकडून झालंय चुकून.
Tell me the pharmacological action of acetylcholine on eye. Either it is miosis or mydriasis.
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 Cholinergic drugs. I am asking about cholinergic agent, that is parasympathomimic. 49. Which action?
Meiosis.
And parasympatholytic.
Mydriasis.
Okay. So mydriasis and meiosis from this. In drugs acting on eye, we discuss which agent produces mydriatic or mydriasis or meiosis effect. In which firstly mydriatic definition, these are the pharmacological agent when they installed topically or administered externally which produces mydriasis, that is dilate the pupil size or dilate the pupil is known as mydriatic. Means जे एजंट ज्यावेळेस एक्सटर्नली ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेट करू और ते टॉपिकली इन्स्टिल केले असतील at that time they produces mydriasis. Mydriasis प्रोड्यूस करणाऱ्या एजंट्सना mydriatics म्हणतात आणि meiosis प्रोड्यूस करणाऱ्या एजंटना meiotics म्हणतात. तर ते आपण या युनिट मध्ये बघणार आहोत. फर्स्टली mydriatic. What we can say, what is mydriatic?
These are the pharmacological
These are the pharmacological agents instead topically for administration mydriasis delete the is known as the mydriatics.
Means these are the pharmacological agents when they installed into the eye or topically or they are administered externally, then they produces mydriasis effect. Then mydriasis means dilation of pupil or increase in the pupil size is known as mydriatic. Roll number 71. Define mydriatic.
Yes, ma'am. These are the pharmacological agent which installed topical or administered externally which products mydriasis. Example, dilate the pupil is known as the mydriasis.
Rule number 8. Definition of mydriasis. Define mydriatic or mydriasis. Roll number 8. Are you present? Sound is audible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Roll number 8. Are you present? Okay, mydriatic means these are the agent they produces mydriasis. Did you get definition? What is mydriatic?
The agent which produces
This-
is called a mydriatic.
Okay. Then next point, mechanism of mydriasis or mydriatic agent means how they produce mydriasis. Mydriasis कसं produce करतात? Pupil is supplied by parasympathetic as well as sympathetic nerve. Means pupil contain pupil जे असतात त्याच्या साईडला जे nerve fibers असतात. Optic nerve. So this pupil contain parasympathetic as well as sympathetic nerve fiber. And parasympathetic nerve fibers as a supply hai, which is through oculomotor. Parasympathetic supply is through oculomotor nerve and supplies to the constrictor pupil. And the sympathetic supply is through superior cervical ganglion and supplies to dilator pupil. Here, constrictor pupil, another name is circular muscle fiber. There are two types of the muscle fibers in which circular muscle fiber and radial muscle fiber. Constrictor pupil means circular muscle fibers. The parasympathetic agents are they are supplied through which nerve?
Oculomotor.
To all
Oculomotor nerve.
oculomotor
Oculomotor
nerve
nerve.
and supplies to constrictor pupil. Constrictor pupil means circular muscle fibers. And sympathetic supply is through superior cervical ganglion. Sympathetic जे एजंट्स आहेत ते कोणत्या गँग्लियननी सप्लाय केले जातात?
Oculomotor nerve.
I am asking about sympathetic supply is through which ganglion?
Superior
Cervical.
Superior cervical
Superior cervical ganglion and supplies to dilator pupil. Dilator pupil means radial muscle fibers. Firstly, you have to remember there are two types of the muscle fiber, circular muscle fiber and radial muscle fiber, in which constrictor pupil means they are circular muscle fibers and dilator pupil means the sympathetic supply आहे जे superior cervical ganglion च्या through होते ते supply केले जातं dilator pupil means radial muscle fibers ना. Pupil contain two types of the nerve fibers, parasympathetic and sympathetic, in which parasympathetic supply and sympathetic supply related सांगायचे. After that, when mydriatics are installed in the eye, mydriatic means कोणते agent mydriasis produce करतात? Which agent shows mydriasis effect? Tell me any one example.
Atropine.
Meiosis. Okay, atropine, correct. Atropine produces mydriasis. So these mydriatic agent ज्यावेळेस ते eye मध्ये install केले, it causes relaxation of constrictor pupil. Constrictor pupil means
Circular muscle fiber.
तर ज्यावेळेस mydriatic ते eye मध्ये install केले जातात त्यावेळेस ते काय करतात? Circular muscle fiber चे relaxation करतात and causes tightening of radial muscle fiber. That is dilator pupil. Firstly, you have to understand two concepts: radial muscle fiber, that is another term dilator pupil, and constrictor pupil means circular muscle fiber. ज्यावेळेस mydriatic agent eye मध्ये install केले जाते त्यावेळेस it causes relaxation of circular muscle fiber. Circular muscle fiber चे ते relaxation करतात आणि tightening of radial muscle fiber. Radial muscle fiber चे tightening करतात. This causes flattening of lens. Lens ही flat होते. Relaxation आणि contraction जे झाले muscle fiber चं. Because of this, ही जी lens आहे, it is flattening of lens is occurred. And this is termed as mydriasis. I revise again, mydriatic agent when they are installed into the eye, it causes relaxation of circular muscle fiber and causes tightening or contraction of the radial muscle fiber is known as, this causes flattening, this leads to flattening of lens, and this is known as mydriasis. And the agent which produces this mydriasis effect is known as mydriatic agent. Got it?
Yes,
What is
ma'am.
mydriasis?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
mydriasis? Okay. Then because of mydriasis occur झाल्यानंतर the focal length of eye, जी focal length असते vision related, which is increased and which fixes sights for the far region, आणि जे दूरदृष्टी आहे दूर तर ती साइट काय केली जाते, फिक्स केली जाते. That is, a person can see the object which is far away but fail to see the object which is near to him. Means to person जे ऑब्जेक्ट त्याच्या जवळ आहे ते बघण्यामध्ये बट फेल्स टू सी ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज नियर टू हिम. प्युपिलची साईज इन्क्रीज झाल्यामुळे मायड्रियासिस इफेक्ट ऑब्झर्व झाल्यामुळे तो जो इंडिव्हिज्युअल आहे ज्याला मायड्रियासिस झालाय दॅट इंडिव्हिज्युअल कॅनॉट सी द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज नियर टू हिम, ओनली सी द ऑब्जेक्ट विच इज फार अवे. जे दूर ऑब्जेक्ट आहेत ते त्या गोष्टी तो बघू शकतो but fails to see the object which is near to him, and this is termed as cyclophagia. काय term?
Cyclophagia.
Cyclophagia. You have to write this all the mechanism. In the region of atropine produces photophobia, and after that you have to write this atropine produces photophobia. Firstly, in the mechanism, it contains parasympathetic as well as sympathetic nerve fiber. Then you have to remember there are two types of the muscle fiber, radial and circular, in which in the mydriasis there is relaxation of circular muscle fiber and tightening or contraction of the radial muscle fiber, and this leads to flattening of the lens, and it is known as mydriasis. And after mydriasis occurs, the focal length is increases and the individual cannot see the object which is near to him, only see the object far away. This is termed as cyclophagia. Then the agent which produces mydriasis effect, they are known as mydriatic. The next point is classification of mydriatic, in which it is classified into two classes. First one, parasympatholytic. Why parasympatholytic? Why parasympatholytic agents are included in the mydriatic category? Can you tell reason?
एजंट यूज कर मायड्रेसिस प्रोड्यूस करतात.
Why
Mydriatic
parasympatholytic are
action acetylcholine.
मध्ये त्या दोन नर्व प्रेझेंट असतात.
parasympatholytic का आहे mydriatic मध्ये? Because simple reason, in the pharmacological action of atropine or in parasympatholytic agent, we discuss their effect on the eye is mydriasis. That is, this agent produces mydriasis. That's why they are in the mydriatic category. So it is mainly classified into two classes. First one parasympatholytic and second one sympathomimetic. In which examples of parasympatholytic? Atropine, homatropine, cyclopentolate, tropicamide, and scopolamine. And second category, sympathomimetic agent, phenylepinephrine, adrenaline, cocaine, and ephedrine. Ephedrine. How many classes?
Two classes.
Classes.
Parasympathetic.
Parasympathetic.
Sympathomimetic.
Mimetic. Parasympathomimetic.
Parasympatholytic.
Sympatholytic.
The examples of
Sympathomimetic.
parasympathomimetic.
Atropine, homotropine, cyclopentone.
Tell me the examples of parasympatholytic agents.
Atropine,
Atropine, homotropine, cyclopentolate,
propionamide, scopamide.
Okay. Example of sympathomimetic agent. Second class sympathomimetic.
Phenylephrine, adrenaline, cocaine,
These are the examples of sympathomimetic agent. This is about mydriatic. Here we complete mydriatic. In mydriatic, you have to write or you have to know about it, which agent produces mydriasis effect. Then these agents write in the classification. Then after that, their mechanism is important one and their definition. In the mechanism, you have to know contraction and relaxation of which fiber. There is contraction of radial muscle fiber, that is tightening of radial muscle fibers, and relaxation of circular muscle fiber. Then after that, flattening of lenses occur. Then mydriasis person see the vision, see the object which is far away, fails to see the object which is near to him because there is increase in size of pupil, and this is termed as cyclophagia. Do you have any doubt related to mydriatic?
No, ma'am.
All of you, any doubt related to mydriatic?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Is meiotic. These are the pharmacological agents when they instilled topically or administered externally, then they produces meiosis effect, that is constriction of pupil, is known as meiotic. Mydriasis means dilation of constriction.
Dilation.
Meiotic means constriction of the pupil. So जे agent meiosis effect produce करतात, that agents are known as meiotics. Which example we have studied in drug acting on ANS? They produces meiosis effect. Acetylcholine, that is parasympathomimetic category and also sympatholytic category. These agents also produces meiosis. Then next mechanism, here again same points. Pupil is supplied by parasympathetic, means it contains nerve fiber in which sympathetic nerve fiber and parasympathetic nerve fiber. The parasympathetic supply is through oculomotor nerve. कोणाच्या थ्रू असतो?
Ganglion.
Cervical ganglion and supply dilate pupil. When meiotics are installed, the introduction part is the same आहे. It contains both the nerves, then circular muscle fiber, radial muscle fiber, then parasympathetic supply and sympathetic supply. After that, meiotics are installed into the eye. They causes contraction of the circular muscle fiber. Mydriasis मध्ये काय होत होतं circular muscle fiber चं?
Relaxation.
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 So there is opposite term, meiotic and mydriasis. Here there is contraction of
Circular muscle fiber.
circular muscle fibers, that is constrictor pupil, and relaxation of radial muscle fiber, that is dilator pupil. And this causes marked reduction in the size of pupils. Firstly, mydriasis means increase in size of pupil and meiosis means decrease in size of pupil. So because of this contraction and relaxation, there is reduction in the size of pupil is occur, and this is termed as meiosis. And because of meiosis, focal length is reduced. Mydriasis मध्ये focal length काय झालेली?
Increase.
Increase. So in meiosis, focal length is decreases and person can see the object which is near but fail to see the object which is far away. Difference समजते तुम्हाला विजन मधला, मियोसिस आणि मायड्रियासिस मधला?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ज्यावेळेस मियोसिस होतं, at that time individual fails to see the object which is far away, but मायड्रियासिस मध्ये जे फारला ऑब्जेक्ट आहे ते बघू शकतात. In meiosis, object which is near to individual is seen but fail to observe the object which is far away. This is termed as spasm of accommodation. Mydriasis मध्ये काय टर्म होती?
Cycloplegia.
Cyclophagia.
Meiosis, this is termed as spasm of accommodation. This is about meiotic agents. Then classification of meiotics, in which two classes, parasympathomimetic and sympatholytics. Examples of parasympathomimetic agents:
Acetylcholine,
Acetylcholine.
Choline, carbachol, pilocarpine, physiostigmine.
acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, pilocarpine, and physostigmine. These are the examples of parasympathomimetic agents. Why the parasympathomimetic agents are added in meiotics? Why they are given in the meiotics?
They causes meiosis.
Because they produces meiosis, that is decreasing size of pupil. Okay, tell me the examples of sympatholytic agents.
Toluidine, quinidine.
Tolazoline and gonethidine. These are the examples of sympatholytic agents. So this is about meiotics. Do you have any doubt related to meiotics?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So the here concept are meiosis and mydriasis, increasing size of pupil and decreasing size of pupil. And also there is reverse contraction and relaxation for the circular muscle fiber and radial muscle fibers. हे पॉइंट्स आलेत लक्षात तुमच्या?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How many classes of meiotic agents?
Two classes.
Two classes.
Two classes.
First one is
Parasympathomimetic.
and second is sympatholytic.
Second,
and classification of mydriatic. First class
Parasympatholytic. Sympatholytic.
okay, classification is also reverse. So you have to remember firstly classification of mydriasis, and after that you can easily write mydriatic. Mydriatic revise करा carefully. Meiosis येईल, meiosis केलं तर mydriasis येईल. Classification पण reverse आहे ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then next, drugs used in treatment of glaucoma. Before that, you have to know what is glaucoma. You are already studying in disorders of eye in anatomy. What is glaucoma? Have you any idea what happened? ग्लाउकोमा ऐकले की नाही?
ऐकलंय.
एक नर्व डॅमेज होतं.
Okay. Glaucoma is an ocular disease. Ocular means Glaucoma is an ocular disease. Means screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Anyone? What is ocular?
Connected with the eyes.
It is related to eye disorder, ocular. Okay. So glaucoma is an ocular disease which is characterized by elevated intraocular pressure, which causes damage to the optic nerve head and producing visual loss or loss of vision. Means there is damage of optic nerve is occur, and because of damage of optic nerve, visual loss or vision loss is occur. Visual loss or vision loss समझते हैं? Inability to see, that is visual loss or vision loss. समझते हैं कि ना? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So glaucoma, it is an ocular, that is eye-related disorder which is characterized by elevated intraocular pressure. Elevated means ज्या आय मध्ये इंट्राओक्युलर फ्लुइड आहे त्याचं जे प्रेशर आहे ते इलिव्हेट होतं. इलिव्हेट मीन्स increases, and because of this increased intraocular pressure which causes damage of optic nerve. जे optic nerves आहेत आय मध्ये, there is damage of optic nerves damage होतं. Because of damage of this optic nerve, vision loss or visual loss is occur. So it is disorder of eye, and in which person have complete loss of vision. Visionचा loss होतो. That is inability to see due to damaging of the optic nerve. And the optic nerves are damaged because of there is increase in the intraocular pressure or intraocular tension. This is termed as glaucoma. The damage to the optic nerve head or optic nerve and visual loss is properly due to ischemia. What is ischemia?
Blood flow reduce होतं.
You were already discussed in disorders of blood. Angina pectoris, arrhythmia, in which ischemia covered झाला असेल. So ischemia, it is a condition in which oxygen or blood flow is restricted or reduced in the part of body. That is ischemia. Ischemia, it is a condition in which flow of the blood or oxygen carrying capacity in the blood is restricted or reduced in the part of body is known as ischemia. Do you know about cardiac ischemia? Have you any idea about cardiac ischemia? Yes or no?
पार्ट मध्ये ब्लड होते आणि ऑक्सिजन.
Cardiac ischemia means oxygen or blood flow is decreased to the heart muscle. That is cardiac ischemia. Okay, so the damage of optic nerve head or optic nerves and visual loss is probably due to ischemia. Because of ischemia, optic nerve damage होतात आणि visionचा loss होतो, and may attributed to the direct pressure on the nerve. Nerve pressure आल्यामुळे nerve damage होतात, and after that ischemia means because of damage of nerve there is supply of the blood flow is restricted or reduced, and also oxygen supply is reduced because of increased intraocular pressure, and glaucoma is produces. The main objective of the The main objective in the management of glaucoma is to reduce the elevated intraocular pressure. What happens in the glaucoma disorder? Either there is increase intraocular pressure or decrease.
Increase in intraocular pressure.
So ज्यावेळेस मॅनेजमेंट करायचा ग्लाउकोमाचा ऍट दॅट टाइम काय करावं लागणार आहे की जे एजंट ते इन्क्रीज झालेलं प्रेशर आहे इंट्राक्युलर टेन्शन जे इन्क्रीज झाले ते इंट्राक्युलर प्रेशर रिड्यूस करतील असे एजंट किंवा असं ट्रीटमेंट ग्लाउकोमा पेशंटना द्यावं लागणार आहे. So the main objective of management of glaucoma is to reduce the elevated intraocular pressure. जे increase झालेलं pressure आहे ते reduce करावं लागणार आहे. Then types of glaucoma. First one is open angle glaucoma and second one is closed angle glaucoma. Do you understand about glaucoma and their types?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Roll number 44. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened in the glaucoma?
Glaucoma is a ocular disease characterized by elevated intraocular pressure, which causes damage to optic nerve head produced by barrel loss.
Okay, glaucoma, it is an eye disorder firstly, that is ocular disorder in which it is characterized by increase in intraocular pressure or the tension, and because of this increased pressure which leads to damage of optic nerve, and this damaging of optic nerve produces or leads to visual loss or vision loss, and this damage of optic nerve they are probably due to कशामुळे होतं damage तर because of ischemia, and ischemia it is a condition in which there is reduced or restricted blood flow or oxygen supply in the parts of body. This is about glaucoma. The management of glaucoma is done by reducing the intraocular pressure. Then types of glaucoma. How many types?
Two types.
Two types.
Two types.
First one is
Open angle glaucoma.
Open angle.
Close angle.
this is about glaucoma. Then next agent used in the glaucoma means glaucoma produced झाल्यानंतर in the glaucoma disorder which agents are given in their management or their treatment. There are various agents they are used in the glaucoma, in which first one miotics. Examples
Pilocarpine, Carbachol.
मिओटिक्स म्हणजे काय लिहायचंय तुम्हाला याच्यामध्ये जे एजंट मिओसिस प्रोड्यूस करतात म्हणजे क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ मिओसिस ते परफेक्ट असेल तर मिओटिक्सचे एक्झाम्पल राईट डाऊन करता येतील. एक्झाम्पल्स ऑफ मिओटिक्स
Pilocarpine, Carbachol, Physiostigmine.
Okay, screen is only visible to roll number 50. Remaining student. Pilocarpine, carbachol, and physostigmine. These are the examples of meiotic. Then second class adrenergic agent. Examples adrenaline and pilocarpine mixture for means both the mixture. Open angle glaucoma. If there is open angle glaucoma, is this disorder is occur, then adrenaline and adrenergic agent, adrenaline and pilocarpine, they are given in the combination to treat the open angle glaucoma. The next third one is adrenoreceptor blocker. Their example
Timolol.
Timolol.
okay. category of timolol, propranolol? Can you tell another category of timolol or propranolol?
Beta receptor blocker.
Beta receptor
So all
blocker.
beta blockers, they are lol, they are at the end. They are in the beta blocker. Then next, fourth class, carbonic anhydrase inhibitor. Examples:
Acetazolamide,
Diclofenac.
then next class,
Osmotic agent.
agent, hypertonic of glycerin,
Hypertonic solution of glycerin menthol.
many.
then last one class is osmotic agents. Their examples: hypertonic solution of glycerin and magnesium. Yes. 23.
Sorry, ma'am.
Do you have any problem?
No, ma'am.
Then osmotic agents is the last class. In agents used in the glaucoma. How many classes of agents used in glaucoma?
5.
5 classes. 5 classes.
First class,
Meiotic,
20.
examples:
pilocarpine,
Pilocarpine, carbachol.
आणि physostigmine.
pilocarpine, carbachol, physostigmine. Second class,
adrenergic agent,
Adrenergic agent.
adrenaline and pilocarpine,
Example,
which mixture is given to treat open angle glaucoma?
adrenaline and
Pilocarpine.
Okay, then third class,
beta adrenoreceptor blocker.
Adrenoreceptor blocker. Example, timolol.
then fourth class,
Carbonic
Carbonic
anhydrase,
Example,
acetazolamide,
diclofenac.
dichlorophene,
and last class,
osmotic agent,
Osmotic agent.
solution of glycerin, mannitol,
Glycerin and mannitol.
roll number 39. Are you present?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the classification or the agent used in treatment of glaucoma. question समजला है?
नाही ma'am.
Screen is classification or agents used in glaucoma.
Five agent. First one,
Okay. First one,
meiotics. Example, pilocarpine, second carpocul, third
physostigmine. Next
Phy-
class,
adrenergic agent.
adrenergic agents.
Adrenaline agent, adrenaline and for example, pilocarpine mixture of open angle glucose, glycose, glyco
Adrenaline and pilocarpine mixtures given for the treatment of open angle glaucoma. Third class,
adrenospector blocker
adrenoreceptor.
blocker, example thimolone. Fourth, carbonic
Timolol.
timolone,
L-O-L. Lol.
timolol.
Next class,
Carbonic anhydrix
anhydrous inhibitors.
inhibitors. Example
Example,
extra zomlomid
acetazolamide,
and
dichloropinamide,
diclonopinamide,
dichloropinamide. Next class,
osmotic agent.
examples,
Hypertonic solution of Galcarinin militone.
glycerin, mannitol.
ती शब्द सांगा.
Repeat the fifth class. Fifth class repeat करा.
First one
Last चा जो क्लास आहे ना तो रिपीट करा. ऑस्मॅटिक एजंट.
high protein solution of
हाय प्रोटीन, हायपरटोनिक सुटिक्स मध्ये झाले हायपोटोनिक
solution of मॅम हे शब्द सांग.
Hypertonic solution of glycerin and mannitol. These are the examples of osmotic agents. In today's lecture, we discuss drugs acting on eye. Sound is audible to all?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Drugs acting on eye. Firstly, we discuss mydriatic, after that miotics, and last one is agents used in treatment of glaucoma. Firstly, we discuss anatomy, after that mydriatics. Mydriatics means these are the agents they produces mydriasis. When they are administered externally or instilled topically, they are known as mydriatic. And mydriasis means dilation of pupil. There is increase in size of pupil. After that, their mechanism in which Pupil contain parasympathetic as well as sympathetic nerve fiber, where parasympathetic supply is through oculomotor nerve and it supplies to the constrictor pupil. Constrictor pupil means circular muscle fibers and radial muscle fibers are dilator pupils. The sympathetic supply is through the superior cervical ganglion and this supply to the radial muscle fiber, that is dilator pupil. After that, when mydriatic agents they are instilled into the eye, then this agent causes relaxation of circular muscle fiber and contraction or tightening of the radial muscle fiber, and this leads to flattening of the lens. This is termed as mydriasis. And when because of this mydriasis and increase the focal length, and because of increasing the focal length which fixes the sights for the vision, and the person which suffer for this mydriasis can see object which is far away but cannot see or fails to see the object which is near to him. This is termed as cyclophagia. Then next point, classification of mydriatic agent, in which two classes, first one parasympatholytic agent and second one sympathomimetic agent. Then examples of parasympatholytic agent: atropine, homatropine, cyclopentolate, tropicamide, scopolamine. Then second class sympathomimetic, their examples phenylphenephrine, adrenaline, ephedrine and cocaine. Then next category, meiotics. Meiotics, in which firstly definition means these are the agent which produces meiosis effect. Meiosis means constriction of pupil, there is decrease in the size of pupil. These agents are known as meiotic. Then next mechanism, same part, pupil is supplied by two nerves, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Then parasympathetic supplies through oculomotor nerve, then supplies to the circular muscle fiber. The sympathetic supplies to the ganglion, cervical ganglion, and supplies to the radial muscle fibers. After that, when this meiotic installed into the eye, which causes contraction of circular muscle fiber and relaxation of radial muscle fiber, that is dilator pupil, and this shows reduced or decreased size of pupil. This is termed as meiosis. And because of this meiosis, there is decrease in focal length, and person or individual can see the object which is near to him but fail to see the object which is far away. This is termed as spasm of accommodation. Then classification of meiotics, they are again classified into two types: parasympathomimetic agents, their example acetylcholine, methacholine, carbachol, pilocarpine and physostigmine. Sympatholytics, their example guanethidine and tolazoline. Then next point, in drugs acting on eye, in which next disorder is glaucoma. Glaucoma, it is an ocular or it is eye related disorder, and which is characterized by increased or elevated intraocular tension or pressure, and this causes damage of optic nerve or optic nerve head, and therefore loss of vision or visual loss is occurred, and this is termed as glaucoma. So in the glaucoma, there is increase the intraocular pressure. In the management of glaucoma, to reduce this elevated intraocular pressure, this is treatment or management of glaucoma. There are two types of the glaucoma, in which first one open angle glaucoma and second one closed angle glaucoma. So the agent they are used to reduce this elevated intraocular pressure or intraocular tension are the following. First one, meiotic, their examples pilocarpine, carbachol, physostigmine. Second class adrenergic agent, adrenaline and pilocarpine mixture given for the treatment of open angle glaucoma. Third class adrenoreceptor blockers, their example timolol. Then carbonic anhydrase inhibitor, their example acetazolamide and dichlorphenamide. And last class is osmotic agents, their examples hypotonic solution of glycerine and mannitol. This is about drugs acting on eye. Here we complete drugs acting on eye. By completing these little three chapters, meiotic, mydriatics and agent used in the glaucoma. You have any doubts related to this unit?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.